What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking NL doing a quick 3-winner Raz. We're going to be posting a bunch of Razes in the group today, and I'll be passing the torch on to my buddy Brad. He's going to be running Razes after today, so we'll put up a little post about it later, get all you guys informed. But right now, I'm going to be running a couple Razes, and this is the first one. We're live. Good luck. 3 winners coming out of this one, so top 3 after 4 randoms will do it. And here is our clock. It's 12:20 in Newfoundland. And I thought I had everybody's name copied over, but I guess I didn't. Chris West to Brady. Brady to Chris. 4 randoms. And again, 12:20, guys. Good luck. 1, 2, 3 will be a timestamp, and we'll copy it over. 3rd timestamp. 3rd timestamp is at 12:20. And 12:20 it is. Last and final. Top 3 are winners. Good luck. And there you go. Pat Callahan, spot 7. Jonathan McGrath, spot 9. And Andy Moore in spot 4. There's your 3 winners. You guys are going to get to pick in order of which cards you want to take. And we'll get them sent out to you first thing in the morning. Here you go. 4th timestamp on the video is at 12:21. And 12:21 it is. So congratulations again, Pat. Spot 7, Jonathan, spot 9, and Andy, spot 4. You guys are the winners, and I'll tag you shortly after the video is done. Thanks.